Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify and Printify. First, create your Shopify store by choosing a plan and setting up your basic shop details. Next, sign up for a Printify account. These two platforms work together seamlessly, allowing you to design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases directly from your online store. It's a fantastic way to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment and no inventory management. Now let's connect them. From your Printify dashboard, navigate to My New Store and select Shopify. Follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once connected, you can browse Printify's extensive catalog of over 900 products. Choose items you wish to sell, like apparel or home decor, and import them into your Shopify store. Remember to adjust product titles, descriptions, and set your profit margins before publishing. With your products imported, it's time to get creative. Use Printify's design editor to upload your artwork or create new designs. You can place your designs on various products, previewing them with realistic mockups. Once satisfied, publish these customized products to your Shopify store. When a customer places an order, Printify automatically receives it, prints the item, and ships it directly to your customer, handling all the logistics for you. Managing your business is straightforward. You can track all orders and their fulfillment status directly within your Printify account or Shopify dashboard. Focus on providing excellent customer service, as happy customers often lead to repeat business and positive reviews. To grow, consider marketing your store through social media, email campaigns, or paid advertisements. With consistent effort, your print-on-demand business can achieve significant success and reach a wide audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.